I love coming to the ocean. Hi my loves, welcome to the beach day out vlog. I'm headed to the beach. I have nothing in particular in mind to shoot today, as I just rounded up shooting my clothing try on haul video. But this is my full fit, okay? It came from an Instagram store. If you've probably watched the clothing haul before this video comes up. But pants are from a local market, Bucket Chanel. My footwear is from Tommy Hilfiger, but yeah. You can't see me! Come with me to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the one. Come with me, babies. You guys, this place has changed a lot since I came here the last time. You guys, Lagos is just getting crazier by the day. You guys, I'm so sad, and I'm not sad, but I'm sad for the people that can afford this beach, because before these people took over this beach, it didn't used to be how it is. Like, tell me why, like, when you're entering, like, you have to pay 2K, you have to pay another 5K, you have to pay another 5K. It's like, I mean, I can afford it, but it's just like, I don't know why Lagos has to be so fucking commercialized, you know? It just does not make sense to me. But I love the beach. It's a Sunday, and it's weird that there are people not here. But I love it. So if you want to stay on one of these, it's literally like an extra money. So I'm telling him to move the umbrella all the way down, because it's just a better view, to be honest. I'm gonna do like a TikTok, do like cute pictures. I literally just came here, spent all this money just because I wanted to get like thumbnail for my video. Can you imagine that? So I paid 2K for the entry fee, paid 5K entry fee for the entire beach, paid 5K for this particular beach, paid another 5.5 for the seat and umbrella. Just giving you guys a heads up for my Lagos viewers if you ever come to this beach. I love it. So beautiful. Tell me, did I lace you up just to watch you run away? Please tell me who's getting on my love? Who's getting on my love? Tell me who. My loves, let's do like a little what's in my bag type of situation. So I have my La Roche-Posay sunscreen, my Chanel card holder, keys, lip gloss number 1, my hair thingy, hair claw, another sunscreen for my body just because, card holder number 2, lip gloss number 2, my rubbing hair. I can't do without this because I have like serious allergies. I still have a bunch of stuff, okay? One thing about it, baby, I'm going to literally, like, my hanky, water, my tripod, fan. Tell me why I have a manual fan and also this fan. Phone number 2. Body spray, sunglasses, earpods. This is my necklace, y'all. I put it in the bag just because jewelry like this, it's not like authentic, like gold-plated jewelry, so it doesn't do well with like salt water, and that's what I've realized. So yeah, that's, hey British Vogue. I wanted you guys to see my face when I said that. Hey British Vogue, I'm Charlie XCX, and this is what's in my bag. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out for a while. Like, I love coming to the ocean. It just helps me recharge. How's your day going? How's your Sunday? I hope you guys are having fun. Because I am. I want to really do like a TikTok right now. And take cute hot pictures. I really want hot pictures. Like when I say extremely hot pictures, I don't know how that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Okay. You guys just notice like how scorching it really gets like at the beach. I know I do. The sun, it has me on a chokehold. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared. Bruh.
I'm 2 shots in, waiting half in, dude. I'm body for this, waiting half in, dude. Oh baby, could I do? All if I want you. Oh baby, fighting you what God is, fighting diamond. I'm in the middle of the party, but all I think about is you. I'm right around in shawties, but then you're not faithful. Oh, champion, if I feel all I need to you.
I really hope the pictures from today really slaps because I'm not even in the fucking mood. I came here for hot pictures and hot pictures.
I'm 2 shots in, waiting half in, dude. I'm body for this, waiting half in, dude. Oh baby, could I do? All if I want you. Oh baby, fighting you what God is, fighting diamond. I'm in the middle of the party, but all I think about is you. I'm right around in shot.
You guys ever just notice like how the sun is like always more scorching at the beach? Like why? Like why does that happen? I'm telling you, the sun is always like twice, like way hotter than it should ever be. Like why? I have no idea. I'm bending you guys. Ah! If you don't put sand, it's not going to stay.
No, use it.
Ah. Thank you. You guys, I'm gonna see if I can get hot pictures because that's what I came here for. I need very nice pictures in this bikini because I'm feeling hot. Like the weather is scorching. What the hell? The weather is hot. Like when I tell you, extremely hot. I'm always scared to like go to the shore because every time my mom always calls me talking about, oh, don't ever go close to the shore. I guess I'm also going to like give you guys a hint about what's happening or not. But I think in general, like I don't know if anyone has been in this situation where like they've been praying so hard for something to happen. They've been working on something. Like I've been working on something for like 3 years. 3 whole years praying, working, like hoping, praying, keeping my fingers crossed, and finally it happened. It's not easy, you know. It's not easy. Like, life is not easy, adulting is not easy, but I'm just so happy. I wish I could tell you guys, I really do, but I guess there will be signs with what has happened, with one thing, because the other thing is like something I'm going to try to like protect and like make sure, because the thing about being an influencer is you have to be careful, like the type of good news you share. The evil eye is a big, like, you have no idea. The evil eye is something so big. You have to really be careful, like the type of news you share online. So, but the other good news though, you guys are gonna see it because it's not something I can hide. I'm not gonna say what it is either, but you guys will see. You guys will definitely see. Yeah, you guys will definitely see. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. How are you guys doing? What's been happening in your lives? This year has literally been waltzing by without remorse, without warning, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm really here for it. I'm so scared that I'm going to tan because right now I'm loving my skin tone more than anything, and I'm gonna piss off like if I tan a lot. That's why I really don't want to waste so much time and just. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna try to take pictures. Let me try doing the TikTok as well. I just did like the cutest TikTok, like anywho, I just want to get a cute picture. I've said it like 1,000,001 times. People are starting to come. I think I targeted the best time to come, but I just want to get like cute pictures like right now. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Found someone to give me hot pictures. He said, you can see here and do something like this. I'm here for it. This is the energy I needed after paying all those plenty things to come in here. Say hi to my vlog. Guys, I had such a swell day. And I know that this vlog just seems like I'm just on the beach chilling, but God knows we all need to do this reset once in a while. We all need to like come back to the beach, just be reminded of like why life is worth living, you know. And I'm just so happy, so grateful with the blessings that have hit me this past few days. It's nothing that I really expected to happen to me, but I guess, you know, sometimes in life when things are happening to people around you, good things, you're just wondering like, when would this ever be me? Like, would this ever not be me? But I'm just happy that God did, honestly. So this is like a random beach vlog reminding you to just go to the beach, to distress, to love life, and just be grateful for your life, because you just never know like what God can do for you last minute. Okay, I love you guys, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you soon, okay? Mwah.